Hello everyone, welcome to Oprimes. My name is Swaroop and I work as a community lead at Oprimes. For those who don't know, Oprimes is a crowd testing platform that offers freelance testing opportunities across the globe. Our platform helps some of the world's biggest companies to test their software products, and you can get paid for testing with us. Our community vision at Oprimes is to give the opportunities to learn and expose our testers to the global testing opportunities. So yeah, to sign up on our platform, first visit oprimes.com, and here you can see sign up as a tester option. Click on the sign up as a tester, and you will be redirected to the tester sign up page. You can find a free sign up now button here. Click on that. Now you are at app.oprimes.com/sign up page. Here you will need to fill out your first name, last name, email and password. While filling the email, make sure you are selecting your primary email, because all the communications regarding the upcoming opportunities and everything will be communicated through email. So adding your primary email is an important step. So once you fill in your details and you click on the sign up button, you will receive an verification email to your email provided. You will need to click on verify your account in order to create an account on our platform. Once you have verified your email, you can log into your Oprimes account at app.oprimes.com by entering your email and password. Once you click on the sign in button, you will be logged into our Oprimes platform. Here you can see projects, invites, profile, leaderboard and resources. The best way to get started with Oprimes is by filling your profile. This includes your device details, addresses, payment information and all. We use this your Oprimes profile information to match with the project requirements and send out the paid project invitations. So yeah, this is an important step, and as and when you are invited for an project, you will see that project invitation in the invite section, and once you accept the invitation, you can able to see the invitation in you can able to see the project in the project section. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.